everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this very cute mini scarf. I use 3.5 millimeters hook and 3.5 millimeters acrylic yarn. Make a slip knot, insert your hook under this yarn, pull up yarn, make a slip knot, and chaining yarn over, pull up yarn, make chains. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert your hook into first chain. We have 2 yarns on hook, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, make a ring. In here make chains, chain 1, 2, 3. Add one more chain in here, yarn over, go to this ring, stitch first round in this ring. I show yarn over, pull up yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, make 1 double crochet, yarn over, go to this ring, pull through, 2 double crochet, yarn over, pull up yarn, pull through. Now we make 1, 2, 3 double crochet in here. Add 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over, go to this ring, pull up yarn, pull through, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, add 1 chain, go to this ring, make 1 double crochet. I show we make 3 chains, add 1 more chain in here, make a stitch in here, add 1 more chain and double crochet. Make 1, 2, 3 chains, add 1 more chain, turn the work, go to this hole, yarn over, go to here, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns, pull through 2 yarns, go to same stitch, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, yarn over, skip these 3 stitches, go to these chains, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, add 1, 2, 3 chains, go to corner, this same chains, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, skip this stitch, go to this chain, we have 1 chain in here, go to this hole, make 1, 2, 3 double crochet, add 1 chain, go to same stitch, make 1 double crochet, and repeat. 1 2 3, add one more chain, go to first stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet. Skip this stitch, go to this hole, 1 2 3. Skip this stitch, go to corner, make 1 2 3, add 1 2 3 chains, go to same stitch, 1 2 3. Skip this stitch, go to here, make 1 2 3. Skip 3 stitches, go to this stitch, 1 2 3, add 1 chain, go to same stitch, 1 more double crochet, 1 2 3, add 1 more chain, go to this stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 3. Skip this stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 3. Skip this stitch, 1 2 3. Go to corner, 1 double crochet, 2 3, add 3 chains, go to same corner, 1 2 3, and repeat. Skip this stitch, 1 2 3. Skip 3 stitches, go to last stitch, 1 2 3, make a chain. In last stitch in every row we make 1 chain, 1 more double crochet, and repeat like this, make more rows. I made these rows, you can make more rows in here. I have 21 centimeter of these rows. In total I made 18 rows. I show after 18 rows in this corner, chain 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. You can make until 45 chains in here. I make 40 chains. I show. Skip 1 chain, go to next chain from back. In back of these chains we have loops. I show these loops. Take these loops on your hook, skip one chain, go to next chain, turn the chains from these loops, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull through two yarns together, take these loops, pull up yarn, pull through, pull up yarn, pull through, pull up yarn, pull through, make one single crochet in every chain. Like this, one single crochet in every chain until here. I make this single crochet stitch. I show, go to these chains from back loop, take back loop on your hook, single crochet in. I show in this side, continue from this side, go to every stitch in here, make one single crochet, two single crochet, three single crochet, go to next stitch, one, two, three, go to next stitch, one, two, three, in next stitch, one, two, three, and repeat. I show, I make three single crochet in every stitch in here, make, I show, one, two, three, go to this, I show in this stitch in first ring, hide tail of yarn under stitch in here, take tail of yarn, go to this ring, make one single crochet, go to next stitch, one, two, three, and repeat, hide this yarn under stitch, one, two, three, repeat. I made until here, I show in last stitch, one, two, three, one, two, three. In this side, continue like this stitch, make 45 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, skip one chain, go to next chain from back, from these loops, one single crochet, one single crochet, one single crochet, one single crochet, and repeat. I made, go to this loop, go to this loop, make last single crochet, go to this stitch, a slip stitch, hide tail of this yarn under stitch, I have 48 centimeters in here, 22 centimeters